Hi, in this short video you're gonna learn how to create a new template based on another template, or create your own if you want from scratch. From anywhere in the program, for example here in the dashboard, we can go to the template manager, and let's say that we want to create our own version of the agreement. Okay, so the contract, here we have the one that has the symbol is the one that is going to be the default, the one that is going to be used when you post the portal. So that means that you can actually switch to different agreements and use a different one. So let's say that you want to create your own version of this one. You can certainly modify it just by clicking on it and modify it. So if I make any modifications here, right, I put a dot here, well, that dot, if I save it, is going to be there. But maybe I want to create my own version. In that case, in the very near future, there's going to be a duplicate template button at the top. So maybe by the time that you are watching this video, that button will be there, but maybe not. So it doesn't matter really. The solution is simple either way. If you have the duplicate, you would click the duplicate button and it will create the duplicate, and then you have to obviously modify to suit your needs. But in this case, I'm gonna do it kind of with an extra step, and I'm gonna click Control A to grab the whole text here, and I'm gonna click Control C to copy that text. I can also right click, right, and select all or copy, which is Control A, Control C, and then I will simply create a new template. That's what I want in this case, and I'm gonna put my own agreement only as a sample. It can be whatever, and the category in this case could be appropriate to be agreement, but it could be a different category, or even a category could be created in the category tab. Okay, so I'm gonna select agreement, and then I'm gonna paste here in the big field. I'm gonna paste all the data, and then I can modify to suit my needs. So basically this is wrong here, as I can see, so I had it wrong. So I fixed that, and so that's it, as simple as that. Now we're gonna save it. If you want that this agreement will be the default agreement when you do the portal, you're gonna put the symbol agreement here between double square brackets. So I'm gonna save it, and still you're gonna have to modify the other one, so because this one goes after the previous one, so you're gonna have to, in this particular case, to go to this one and either delete the symbol or modify it, like this, for example, by putting a space. That way, or you can put a dot, or you can put a letter, whatever you want, just simply that it doesn't actually say agreement between double square brackets, and that's it. You say that, and now the new agreement, my own agreement, is the one that is going to be by default. You can modify it as many times as you want. Obviously, if you want to add a new template, yes, from the very beginning, empty template, yes, you can add a new template that will be simply an empty template that you can then fill with your own text and the symbols of the different categories here of available fields. Okay, and that will be similar to these fields here. Company name, well, obviously is the company name, and so on and so forth. It's really easy because you don't need to type, but only just click on it, position your cursor, and click on it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you. Until the next time.